So if you do one thing that makes you scared, well, do you think you're going to be a little bit more scared for the second one? Probably. It just gets bigger. The calling gets bigger. This is why God doesn't give it to us all at one time. We can't handle it. We can't take it. There are so many of us who have dreams and goals. God has given a dream and a vision to each and every one of us. Now, whether we choose to do something with it, whole nother talk show. But knowing that we all have that in us, my job, my goal is to help bring that out of people. Because one of my personal biggest fears is that I will leave this earth and that I will get to the pearly gates and God will say, let me show you what all you could have done had fear not been an issue. And I don't want that personally. So I'm on this mission to make sure that everybody else doesn't have that same experience.
My husband and I, at our church, we do work with the youth. And we have a lot of the older teenagers who come to us with different things. And, from reading Christy's book, I'm able to see what they're talking about. There's 3 guys right now that we've been talking to, and I've told them about the book. And I'm like, you gotta go get it. It will help you through this. It will help you learn about yourself now at a younger age, and kind of like why you think the way you think, why you act the way you act, why do you react the way you react. Instead of waiting till you're my age and you're getting ready to turn 40 and you're like, holy crap, if I would have found out about this stuff sooner, about myself. Like, I always knew I had fears, but I never really thought about why and where they came from. If you're willing to be real and honest with yourself, most definitely, without a doubt, you need to read this book and do what it says to do, especially if you want to better yourself and your family.
So yeah, I did bring my husband to one of the sessions. My intent was to bring him in there so he can, face his fears and come out of denial. Whatever that is, because he probably won't tell me. So, even though he know my fears, just for me to explain them in front of a group of people, because he's quiet and shy and doesn't talk to a lot of people, maybe one day we'll give him the confidence to maybe even tell his fear to someone so it can help somebody else.
I'm Christy Demetrakis, the author of Faith to Conquer Fear, Inspiration to Achieve Your Dreams, and Faith to Conquer Fear, The Journey. If you have an interest in taking your organization through the journey of conquering their fears, whether it be a small connect group, a women's Bible study, or a book club, I encourage you to go to my website at empoweredspeaker.com for more information.